Welcome back to Dekolova, where beautiful homes and inspiring interiors come together to spark new decorating ideas. Today, we're stepping inside a cozy English country cottage that feels like a page lifted from a beloved storybook. Nestled among blooming gardens and rolling countryside views, this charming home embraces timeless shabby chic decor, vintage elegance, and the kind of warmth that never goes out of style. Every room tells a story through carefully selected furnishings, soft textures, and treasured antiques that create an atmosphere filled with comfort and character. Join us as we explore each beautiful space and discover how traditional English cottage design continues to inspire homeowners around the world. Before we step inside, let's take a moment to admire the cottage's enchanting exterior. Covered in climbing roses and framed by lush greenery, the home instantly creates a welcoming first impression. Weathered brick walls, painted timber windows, and a gently sloping roof contribute to its authentic countryside charm. Unlike modern homes that often focus on clean lines and minimal details, this cottage celebrates imperfections and natural aging. Every crack in the stone pathway and every blooming flower seems to add another layer of personality. The overall appearance feels relaxed, romantic, and effortlessly elegant, creating a beautiful connection between the home and the surrounding landscape. As we step through the front door, we're greeted by a foyer that immediately sets the tone for the entire home. Soft, neutral colors, vintage furniture, and carefully curated decorative accents create a welcoming atmosphere that feels both refined and comfortable. An antique console table displays fresh flowers gathered from the garden, while framed botanical artwork adds subtle visual interest to the walls. The beauty of this entrance lies not in grand gestures but in thoughtful details. Every item appears collected over time, creating an authentic sense of history and personality. This is a space designed to make guests feel instantly at home. The living room perfectly captures the essence of shabby chic style. Comfortable slip-covered sofas in soft cream tones invite relaxation, while distressed wooden furniture introduces texture and character. Vintage coffee tables, delicate floral fabrics, and carefully layered accessories create a balanced look that feels elegant without becoming overly formal. The room embraces a lived-in beauty that celebrates comfort as much as style. Decorative pillows, cozy throws, and treasured heirloom pieces work together to create a welcoming environment where family and friends can gather. Every corner reveals thoughtful design choices that blend sophistication with everyday practicality. One of the most captivating elements of this cottage is its collection of vintage furniture. Rather than relying on matching sets, the homeowners have carefully curated pieces from different periods and styles. An aged oak cabinet, a weathered writing desk, and beautifully restored armchairs each contribute their own unique history to the space. These furnishings create visual depth and authenticity that cannot easily be replicated with mass-produced pieces. Their worn finishes and handcrafted details reflect generations of craftsmanship while adding warmth and individuality. Together, they create an interior that feels deeply personal and rich with character. The color palette throughout the cottage draws inspiration from the natural beauty of the English countryside. Gentle shades of cream, ivory, sage green, dusty blue, and muted blush create a soothing environment that feels timeless and serene. These colors work harmoniously together, allowing architectural details and vintage furnishings to take center stage. Instead of relying on bold contrasts, the design embraces subtle transitions and layered tones that create visual comfort. The result is an interior that feels calm and welcoming throughout every season. This understated palette serves as the perfect backdrop for the home's decorative treasures and natural textures. Moving into the kitchen, we discover a space that perfectly balances functionality with old-world charm. Painted cabinetry, open shelving, and traditional wooden countertops create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Displayed dishes, ceramic pitchers, and vintage cookware add authenticity while contributing to the room's decorative appeal. Unlike highly polished contemporary kitchens, this space feels approachable and lived in. Every detail encourages gathering, cooking, and sharing meals with loved ones. Fresh flowers, woven baskets, and carefully selected accessories further enhance the cottage aesthetic, making the kitchen feel like the true heart of the home where daily life unfolds beautifully. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining room continues the home's story of timeless elegance. A beautifully aged wooden dining table serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs that add charm and personality. Delicate table linens, antique serving pieces, and seasonal floral arrangements create an inviting setting for family meals and special occasions alike. The room demonstrates how simple decorating choices can create extraordinary warmth. Rather than striving for perfection, the design embraces authenticity and comfort. This approach transforms every meal into a memorable experience while celebrating the enduring beauty of traditional English country living. Tucked beside a charming window overlooking the garden, this cozy reading nook feels like a peaceful escape from the outside world. A vintage wingback chair upholstered in soft floral fabric creates the perfect place to unwind with a favorite book and a warm cup of tea. Nearby, a small antique side table holds treasured novels and fresh blooms gathered from the cottage garden. The beauty of this space lies in its simplicity. Nothing feels excessive or overly designed. Instead, every element encourages relaxation and reflection. It is a reminder that the most memorable interiors often include small, intimate corners where comfort takes priority and everyday moments become something special. The master bedroom embraces a sense of romance and tranquility that perfectly complements the cottage's overall design. Soft linens, layered bedding, and delicate floral patterns create a restful atmosphere that feels both elegant and inviting. A beautifully aged wooden bed frame serves as the focal point, while antique dressers and bedside tables add timeless character. The room avoids unnecessary decoration, allowing carefully chosen furnishings and textiles to shine. Gentle colors and natural materials work together to create a calming retreat at the end of the day. Every detail has been selected to promote comfort while preserving the authentic charm of traditional English country living. Guests staying in this cottage are welcomed into a bedroom that feels every bit as thoughtful and inviting as the primary suite. Soft pastel tones, vintage furnishings, and carefully layered textiles create a warm and comfortable environment. A charming iron bed frame paired with crisp linens and embroidered pillows introduces a sense of nostalgia without feeling outdated. Fresh flowers on the bedside table and framed botanical prints on the walls contribute subtle decorative touches that enhance the room's character. The space demonstrates how hospitality and design can work together beautifully, creating an atmosphere where visitors immediately feel relaxed, valued, and completely at home. The bathroom continues the home's commitment to timeless design with a beautiful blend of practicality and vintage appeal. Traditional fixtures, painted wood cabinetry, and classic ceramic details create a space that feels both functional and charming. A freestanding bathtub serves as the room's centerpiece, offering a luxurious place to relax while maintaining the cottage's historic character. Soft towels, woven storage baskets, and delicate decorative accents contribute warmth and texture. Rather than chasing modern trends, the design celebrates enduring materials and thoughtful craftsmanship. The result is a bathroom that feels inviting, elegant, and perfectly suited to the relaxed pace of country living. One of the defining features of this English country cottage is the thoughtful use of decorative accessories. Throughout the home, vintage mirrors, antique clocks, porcelain collections, and cherished heirlooms add personality and visual interest. These pieces are displayed with care, creating curated vignettes that feel meaningful rather than cluttered. Fresh flowers play an equally important role, bringing color, fragrance, and life into every room. Arrangements of roses, hydrangeas, lavender, and seasonal blooms connect the interiors to the surrounding garden. Together, these decorative elements tell a story of tradition, beauty, and personal expression that makes the home feel truly unique. Textiles are essential to achieving the cozy atmosphere that defines this cottage. Throughout the home, soft curtains, upholstered furniture, woven rugs, and layered bedding work together to create depth and visual warmth. Floral prints, subtle stripes, and delicate embroidery introduce pattern without overwhelming the space. Natural materials such as cotton, linen, and wool contribute texture while reinforcing the cottage's connection to nature. These layers help soften architectural elements and make every room feel more inviting. The thoughtful combination of fabrics demonstrates how comfort and elegance can coexist, resulting in interiors that feel both sophisticated and wonderfully lived in. As we conclude our tour, it's impossible to overlook the role lighting plays in bringing this beautiful cottage to life. Rather than relying on bright, dramatic illumination, the home embraces a softer and more intimate approach. Elegant table lamps, vintage wall sconces, candle-inspired fixtures, and natural daylight work together to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout the day and evening. The gentle glow highlights the textures, colors, and decorative details that make each room special. This thoughtful lighting design enhances the sense of comfort and timeless charm that defines the entire home.